Good morning, students. Today is class 5th science and chapter soil erosion and conservation. You know that soil is a natural resource. The topmost layer of soil is called topsoil, which are have a more fertile, and all nutrients are present in the topsoil, which give us plant grow. All kinds of terrestrial plant need soil to grow. Soil is home to many animals such as earthworms, snakes, and other insects, etc. Soil. The soil that you see around has rock particles in the form of sand, silt, clay, and pebbles. Soil also has air, tiny living things, and humus. Humus is formed from the remains of plants and animals. It makes the soil fertile. Humus retain water and keeps the soil wet for a long time. Long ago there was no soil on the earth. Let us learn how soil has formed. Formation of soil. First, in the beginning, the entire earth was covered with rock. Heat from the sun heated the earth and rain cooled it. As a result, the rocky surface cracked, and then the wind and flowing water widened the cracks. With time, the rocks broke into pieces. Gradually, pebbles, sand, silt, and clay were formed from the rocks. Later, plants appeared on land and their remains mixed with the soil. This is how soil has formed. Formation of soil. The topmost layer of the soil, topsoil, is essential for the growth of plants. The topsoil contains nutrients required by the plants. Get it right. Soil formation is slow but an ongoing process. It is being formed even at this moment. Soil erosion. Any process that damages or removes the topsoil from a region causes soil erosion. Soil erosion makes the soil less fertile. Natural causes of soil erosion. Soil erosion mainly occurs due to wind and flowing water. Strong winds and flowing rainwater wash away the topsoil. Land that does not have plant growing on it is called barren. Barren land gets eroded at a faster rate. Barren soil get exposed to heat and sunlight and dries up quickly. The dry, loosened topsoil is easily removed by the wind and flowing water. This is how the absence of vegetation causes soil erosion. Thank you, student.